Hey YouTube, this is just a really quick video of me shooting my AR-15 pistol for the first time. And I customized this and my husband helped me build it. I added some rhinestones and Swarovski crystals to it, as you can see. And I was trying to match my gun. It's sick pink. It's so super cute. And I'm just going to take it to the gun range and just shoot a couple rounds, do a little function test on it. So this is a 10.5-inch barrel pistol. I did purchase this upper from Bear Creek Arsenal. Bear Creek Arsenal before their prices went up. I'll do a cost breakdown on this at a different time, but here's all the ammo I'll be using. This is Winchester 5.56 millimeter bullets. Then I also have some 223 and some Federal ammunition I'm going to use by American Eagle and Frontier cartridge. So these are the bullets I'm going to be using. Just going to shoot a few, not a lot. There are ammo shortages across the whole entire country. Of course, you may all know about that. Now here I am, just go ahead loading up my magazine so I can get ready. I'm only going to put about maybe no more than 5 bullets in there at a time. Okay, so now that I have my magazine loaded up, I'm just going to put it inside of my pistol. And it has a few scratches because of the paint, but that's fine. You can't see what's in there. Give it a nice little push and tug, just so you make sure that your magazine is secure in your pistol. Trying to take my first shot. Pull the trigger, nothing happens. Make sure you take the safety off, ladies.
Yeah, that was the Winchester 5.56. Try this Federal American Eagle, and then this Frontier.
And just to be clear, this is not my first time shooting a rifle at all. I have access to rifles and pistols. I shoot my husband's guns. We just haven't been to the range in a while, but this is my first time shooting my own pistol. But so far, I love it. It is so powerful. And my shoulder was a little sore afterwards. So you just really have to hold on when you're shooting this type of weapon. I borrowed this red dot off of one of my husband's rifles. I now have my own OTW and it's pink and black, so never mind that one. Ready? It is extremely loud at the gun range, so make sure you are covering your ears, and the shells the bullet casings can fly back and pop you in the eye, so cover up your eyes as well. Remember that.
That's it. So those were in good, so we good to go with this now.
This is just a little bit of slow motion footage I added. I thought it'd be pretty cool to check it out, seeing it like this. I also just want to say that when you haven't been to the gun range in a while and you just build a firearm, a rifle, a pistol, whatever it is, and you just want to make sure it's functioning properly, you can focus on accuracy. That'll come eventually. I got some really good advice from my husband about that. Don't be too hard on yourself if you can't hit the bullseye in the middle. You really want to make sure you focus on the handling of your firearm, making sure you hold it strong, making sure that when you shoot it, it doesn't pop you in the lip or fly out of your arms or something like that. Hold on tight. Pay attention to your surroundings because this is like really serious. Also, just make sure you are 100% aware of your surroundings. There's nothing wrong with wanting to document what you have going on or be on social media, but don't be in there taking 1,000 selfies, not paying attention. And it's a lot of people in there coming in and out, a lot of newbies, and mishaps can happen at the gun ranges. So, just always practice safety first and be aware of what's going on.
Last round lockout on there. 4 rounds of this. Gonna try that, and then that should be it for this one.
Okay, so I'm all done shooting my pink Bear Creek Arsenal 10.5 rifle and pistol, and I am so impressed. I really, really like it. It is so powerful, and my shoulder was a little sore, so that just gives you an idea of just how much power and how much force these AR-15s can have. And of course, I shot all brass through it, just getting to know it. And plus, at the gun range, you can't shoot any steel in there anyway. So my husband was showing me, we shot a 308 earlier, and those were the ones like in the good area, the red area. All mine, where he's putting his finger in a circle, were mine. They were more to the left, which is cool. I was just a little off, but I'm not too concerned about that. And like I said, this is not my red dot. I have my own. I bought it off Amazon as an OTW for $37. And my little buttons on it are painted pink. So this was me shooting my AR for the first time, you guys. And I'm really blown away by it. Like, literally, I really like it. So thank you all for watching my video. Like, share, and subscribe. This is just me trying to wear an outfit to match my AR-15. And thanks for watching.